Oh, and they aren't camera shy, are they? Well, some fog for us in the morning, and again, a stray shower chance, but we stay steamy the rest of the week. We're waiting on a cold front coming Saturday that's going to cut the humidity away. So in the meantime, it's muggy, it's mild. We're in the upper 70s from Joliet to the airport, 70 degrees Waukegan, 74 right now in Kankakee, and dew point temperatures are in the 60s and 70s, and that is that push of humid air coming all the way from the Gulf of Mexico, wrapping around this area of low pressure, so that's just sending all that warm and humid air into our area. That could spark a couple of thunderstorms during the day tomorrow, 85 for the high, but keep in mind with that northeast wind at 10 to 15, it will be cooler along the lakefront, and that also will pull some stable air onshore, so that would cut down rain chances. So as you can see during the afternoon, rain coverage, not that impressive. It's only running at about 20%, but we stay mild tomorrow night and into Thursday morning too. And on Thursday, the rain chance is running at about 30% for pop-up showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. But again, low chances of rain both Wednesday and Thursday. Friday's looking dry, but on Saturday, that's the front we're waiting on. That is going to come through and cut the humidity for the second half of the weekend. So our weekend is half steamy and stormy with highs flirting with 90 on Saturday. That front comes through and turns our winds straight out of the north Sunday. Still warm, 84, lots of sunshine, but way less humid air moving into the picture. And that trend stays for us early next week. So if you're looking for that change of a cut in humidity, it's going to be a few days yet. But the rain chances, Brad and Erica, the next 2 days, quite small.
Thank you, Mary Kay.